To measure the amount of rice that you need, you can use any container. We use an old tin of condensed milk. Add the required amount of rice into the container provided with the rice cooker and wash the rice well. After you wash the rice, add water to the container until the amount of water reaches your middle finger's first crease or line. Then add required amount of salt. Now put the container into the rice cooker and close the lid. Switch on the rice cooker and turn the cooker to the cook mode. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the rice cooker will automatically switch into warm mode. As soon as it turns to warm mode, take a spoon and mix the rice well so that the rice doesn't get hardened. Now you can enjoy the rice with some tasty dishes. As a bonus tip, also remember to mix the rice well when you serve the rice from the cooker.